How to fill out application form for renewal of BCO accreditation. Sa pag-fill up ng application form for renewal of the PCO accreditation, halos parehas lang din po ito sa pag-apply ng accreditation for the first time. So, tignan natin yung dalawang bahagi. Unang bahagi, yung mismong mga required information, at sa pangalawang bahagi, yung mga required attachment. So halos parehas lang ito sa first time application or new PCO accreditation. Ang naidagdag lang dito ay ang pag-upload ng previously issued certificate of accreditation. Pero dahil ito ay ating kailangan pag-aralan, i-discuss ulit natin and fill upan. So, ito yung ating application form for the renewal of existing certificate of accreditation. First, yung region, pipiliin natin. So, for example, Calabarzon, and then yung name of establishment, drop-down list, hanapin nyo lang dito ang inyong establishment. Hanapin nyo lang dyan, dapat makita nyo dyan, and select nyo lang. And then, yung website, hindi po mandatory na maggagawa pa ng website para lang makomplete natin to. Kung wala pong website, just type not applicable or NA. And then dito, nature of business of the establishment. I-select nyo lang din dito yung nature ng business. Halimbawa, piggery, poultry. So, click natin tong animal production. Halimbawa, restaurant. Hanapin natin dito sa drop-down list. Restaurant. Yan. So, kung ano ang nagde-describe ng ating business, yung nature, select nyo lang dito sa drop-down list. Then, establishment category based on DAO 2014-02, particularly section 5. Dalawa lang naman to, category A and category B. So, select natin halimbawa category B. And then, the telephone number, put NA if not applicable. We also provide employment status, either full-time or others. We select full-time, and then current position. Halimbawa, ang position ko currently ay safety officer at inappoint ako ulit na PCO, and ako ay 3 taon na bilang safety officer at the same time PCO. Ano po? And then, sa baba nito, yung ating mga required attachment. Ito na yung certificate of accreditation. Kailangan natin ibigay yung previously issued certificate, the appointment or designation as PCO, certificate of employment, and notarized affidavit of joint undertaking of the PCO and the managing head. Pero kung ang nag-a-apply ng renewal ay ang owner, acting both as the PCO and the managing head, the affidavit of undertaking na lang, hindi na joint. So sa pinakamababang portion ng application form for renewal, meron ditong button, submit application. So if you click this button, maisasubmit ngayon yung ating renewal application. So yan lamang ang kung paano fill upan yung application form for the renewal of existing certificate of accreditation. If you want to know more, about environmental compliance, please subscribe to this channel. Please share this video. Please follow and share. And thank you very much everyone for listening, and God bless us all.